What's up, guys? I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to be working on the engine harness. It's always been pretty bad looking the whole time I've pretty much owned the car, so I'm going to start chopping off the old tape and then put on some friction tape. You can see from here, like, it's never really been refreshed or tried to be fixed or anything, so I'm going to start cutting it up and then retaping it, and hopefully it looks a little better because, yeah, I don't even think I need some of this, so I could probably take some of it out, but I guess we'll work on that when we get there. So I guess let's start cutting it up and retaping. So this is how far I got. This is going from the coil to, that's the mass airflow sensor, and then I'm done there. And that's a whole roll that I already went through. So it kind of stopped on me on the mass airflow sensor, but I mean, it's looking a lot better. Once I put the vinyl sleeve on here, should look like way better than how it looks now, and it already looks way better than it did before. So I'm gonna keep cutting and going. It starts getting real bad up here, so we'll see how much better we can get that to look. I ran out of my second roll, and I probably need like one more roll, maybe two more to finish this, but it stops at pretty much where the injector wires go, and still need to redo the splices in it, but other than that, doesn't look bad. And once I put the covering on it, should look even better. So I might redo these because I do have extra ones, because the waterproof plug isn't really doing anything. Some of them are showing wire, because when I did this I was in a rush because I wanted the car back and it was my first time turboing it, so yeah. But now I have time to do all this, so gonna go ahead and take my time and do everything. So alright, so it looks like that I'm out of friction tape, so I'm gonna have to go run to the store and go grab some more. Doesn't look bad so far. That's how much that I ended up ripping out of the electric tape. So, I mean, it doesn't look bad so far. Once it's done, I think I'll be pretty happy with it. But I guess I'm gonna start running to the O'Reilly's. Or I guess probably Home Depot or Lowe's, because O'Reilly's apparently doesn't have friction tape. So I guess get out of here and go pick up some friction tape. Well, Lowe's didn't have the tape that I needed, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go back to Home Depot, which is on the other side of town. So I guess let's do that then. What's up, guys? So I'm back. I came back from Home Depot and I just got done mostly doing all the wiring. You can see that it goes into the firewall. I didn't really wrap that yet. I kind of want to take it out and tape that up, but I'm running out of tape again, and I'm not going to do another lap to get more today. So I mean, I got all the wiring done. Everything's good and ready to go. I'm still going to redo these plugs and then tape these off. It's just, again, I need to go pick up more stuff, and I don't really want to do more laps today, so I guess that's going to be it today. Got the tape pile of the old stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess next time I'm going to finish up doing the wiring, and then I'm still waiting on trying to find a friend or someone that could weld up that hole for me. It's this one right here. Trying to get someone to weld a hole and put a plate in, that way I could just drill a hole and it's like clean. That way I could paint everything and the bay would be done. But for right now, I'm still waiting on doing that before I start tackling the engine again, because I want to make sure the bay is good before I start working on the engine, because all that stuff, it's relatively, I know what I need. So I haven't really ordered anything yet. Everything's really on a standstill, so hopefully soon I'll get back to the actual work of getting the engine back in the car. Alright guys, so I'm back for day 2 and of working on the wiring harness, and today I'm just gonna try splicing the new pigtails onto the fuel injectors, because last time I showed y'all that pretty much most of these they're not looking that great. So I'm gonna cut them off, and I have a new set here, so I'm gonna cut them off, put on new plugs, and pretty much do this the right way this time. That way I don't have to do this again. So I'm probably gonna cut each one of these one by one and splicing it into the new one, because I don't want to risk putting these in backwards and having issues. So, and I wasn't, not the brightest idea to have both of these the same color, but whatever, we'll get it done. Alright, so I got one of these plugs in. Looks a lot nicer already, but I just spliced this one in, and I'm about to put the actual plug in there. This would be a lot easier if I actually had crimpers and everything, but I'm using a razor blade, scissors, and a needle nose pliers, but it's working fine. So I guess I'm gonna keep doing this, splice this in there, and put the other half of the plug in the first one. Alright, so I just got done redoing all the injector wires. You can see the weathering seal is actually doing its job on all these, so that's good. One tip for doing this is on the actual pins. There's one piece that actually holds on to the cover of the wire, and the other end that actually crimps down the wire. What you want to do is, on the weathering, you want to put the very tip of it over the crimp for holding the covering for the wire. That way when you push this in, it goes all the way in. So it's not like butting out like the problem I had before. So just in case you didn't know, there's that. I'm gonna start wrapping these up and I should be done for this for now. Well, my camera fell off the time lapse, but I got everything taped up and it looks pretty nice. I'm still waiting on getting the actual sleeving to cover this to actually make it look a little bit nicer. It's like a braided nylon cover, so look a lot better. So I guess that's it for today. I got everything done with the engine bay, so I guess next time I'm going to start on the actual engine bay and start cleaning it up and getting it ready for paint and cleaning up the holes, get them ready for welding. So thanks for watching. If you want, subscribe. See you in the next one.